Planning an event is about making every guest feel welcome, without exception. At Green Metro Coaches, we provide safe, comfortable, and fully inclusive event transport across the UK. For guests who require wheelchair access, we've specially designed our wheelchair-accessible coaches to meet their needs, featuring easy access ramps, secure wheelchair spaces, and trained, supportive drivers who understand the importance of care and dignity. Whether it's a corporate event, wedding, community gathering, or private function, we make sure every guest arrives together, comfortably and on time. Because accessible transport isn't an extra, it's essential. Choose Green Metro Coaches for reliable, inclusive event travel. Book today and move your event the right way.